Hi guys, welcome to a new video, and today we're looking at a new live audio sound mixer. Got this because I got the Beacon Crate, which is a fantastic sound control interface, but it doesn't have any inputs on it. So I've had to switch back to the Audient ID14. Now I'm not entirely sure if this is going to work, but this is what it looks like. So in it, we were looking around the box, but it's not that exciting. You can use this with your phone, you have about 4 save things. I'm not entirely sure, I want to use this in line with the Beacon so I have loads of control. What I need is something I can connect the PlayStation 5 with so I can speak to my friends on PlayStation Chat while being able to play on PC and do all that sort of stuff. So in it, well, first you get these instructions, which it's really quite detailed, and it comes up in beginner, early creators, midterm, proficiency creators, and advanced, and it gives some settings advice and just your basic layout. But this is inside, and we'll get the unit out there. So it comes with a wee stand. I think this is a stand. Not entirely sure actually. I'll have a wee look at that in a minute. It comes. Oh, there's a box. There is. Oh, so it also comes with a mic as well. So this is a. It was £129 from Amazon, reduced from 149. Never had one of these bits before. Remember, I have the Shure SM7B, so I'm quite sorted with a mic. Aha, so yeah, that bit is the stand, and I'm guessing. It does have an option coming for boom arm. There's another box in here I want to have a wee look at. This is a video tutorial box thing. This is like one of the boxes I sell my stuff in. It actually is the same box, and it just has all your cables and apparently some headphones. What on earth? This is quite a unique USB-C, USB-C. I think that's the charging one. Oh, it does come apart as well. Oh no, that's for your phone. So it has an old iPhone connection, and yeah, USB-C to USB-C. That's fine. I like how they got the gold print. Auxiliary to auxiliary. USB 2 to USB-C. And that's so I can have two. I can actually have 2 mics connected to my PC now, and you actually get a pop filter as well. I mean, this is either going to be horrendous, or it's going to be somewhat good or really good. And this is the mic you get. This is a 10 lamp. So I don't know. I'm gonna have a wee look. I might just set the mic up just now, and then that is the mic that you get with this. You can just go there just now. So let's just have a look at the main unit. Maybe it's slightly overexposed. So it's quite, I would say that's quite big. It is. Probably a bit smaller than the Go XLR. So this is it here. I believe this screen pops up as well. There's no stand on it, but I mean that itself is quite cool. You've got a mic mix. You've got reverb depth, reverb length, main output, and monitor output. So this is why I'm thinking I should be able to use this with the Go XLR not XLR, the beacon, because if I've only got one output, I can hopefully use this. So I've got no idea if this will work. I just saw it and I thought I'll try it. Build quality, it does feel plasticky, which is maybe a bit worrying, but and it is it has phantom power, so that should be fine. You can apparently attach a mini guitar into it. Yeah, this is gonna be interesting. I can obviously attach my headphones. I don't need a big headphone output. I've got but in it as well, so you've got your 2 monitor outputs, you've got your software update cable there, you've got a headset mic 1, mic 2, obviously for your input for the your mic. You've got a line in as well, so you can plug a big guitar in it. Digital transmission, so that's to your PC, and DC 5V charging. So let's one of the buttons has just fell off. I'll get this whole thing plugged in and set up. So I've got it all working, or I had it all working, and it's got like a voice thing. It says, if you press 1 here, it says congratulations, well done. There's a clapping thing, and various other functions. But what it doesn't seem to be having is a successful time with the inbuilt mic. I just don't see this working out with this. The mic itself isn't working. I don't know what else I can do, to be honest. I've got. It's not even registering the mic as working. So, I mean, this has got a mic in it. Right. Gonna switch out the audio and see if this works. Probably not. Okay, if this is working, I don't know if this is going to be working or not, but this is what the mic sounds like. I have no idea what it's going to be sounding like, so interested to find out. But I think I'll be safely returning this product. Yeah, I think I'll be safely returning the product. It was a good idea, good to try it out, but I think I'm going to have to go with the Elgato thing where it's going to. I think it's raining outside. Sorry, I'm going to have to go with the Elgato mixer where I'll be able to do everything with that. It's just slightly more expensive, unfortunately. What was I thinking though? Alright, we switched back to my Rode. I mean, it was quite cool to keep a mic, but it was a big sign. Even when I discovered it yesterday, I thought it was just a picture of a mic, but when I saw it today, I was like, that's a bad sign, the fact that it comes with a mic. Everything. The build quality, not great. It's a good idea, but it's just poorly executed. Right, so I ended up just returning it today. So I boxed it all up, and yeah, it was not great. Did kind of think that when I bought it, but just because of the price, and all I really needed it for is to connect the PlayStation to the PC essentially. I also had to use the cloud lifter with that as well, and every time I moved a button it would reset. It was awful. Refunds getting issued, and I'm going to look at the Elgato Stream Deck, or not a Stream Deck, but the Elgato. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. It's at the side there, that bit there, and that's about £329. So a wee bit more pricey, but it will do exactly what I needed to do, and pretty much the same as the beacon crate. So not entirely sure what I'm going to do with that. So yeah, that whole product was a waste of my time, and I only discovered it because it came up on Amazon saying, "Oh, we think you'd like this," and I thought, "Oh, that is quite a good deal." It turned out completely shit. But you have to try these things, and we live and we learn, and we move on. So yet to order this Elgato thing. I've had a few other things come up, but we will get back up and running, I guess, and enjoying making content again. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.